Hello guys, how are you today? Today we are going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching our video. First, you should create a bootable flash memory drive for Windows 10. You can see the learning in this video. Then you should go to your system BIOS. The key is different and it depends on your system, laptop or computer. You can see the function key at the bottom of the screen. It's a delete key, escape key, F2, F8, F10 and F12. You should press this key and go to your BIOS setting. In BIOS setting, you should choose your bootable drive. You should choose the boot menu and select the bootable flash drive. Then you should wait for the setup to come up. Now you choose your language. Then you should choose the install now button. In this page, you should choose your operating system, the home version, pro version or enterprise. Here we choose enterprise. And the architecture of your system can be 32 or 64. The 32 version is written 86 in this setup menu. Press next button, agree the license terms, next. In this page, you can choose whether to upgrade your old Windows or install a new one. We choose install a new Windows, the second option. Now you have a list of your hard drive. My system has a SSD hard and I can choose only this drive to install. It's already formatted and I can choose new and apply the amount of storage. Now press OK. And the drive is created. If you have an old drive and you want to completely format the drive, in this menu you can choose each of them and press delete. After you delete all drives, you have one drive with unallocated space. Then you should press new and OK, then press next button. And you should wait for the installation to complete. Now you should press restart now, or the system will restart in 10 seconds. Then you should wait for a long time, and here we have speed up the video. Here you can choose your region, then your keyboard language. Here you can add another keyboard. You can choose a Wi-Fi or you can choose I don't have internet and connect your computer later. Press limited setup if you don't want to log into your Microsoft account, or connect now and you should then input your Microsoft account. You should choose your system name. We have chosen Memoji Learning. Then if you like, you can choose your password. You can choose your privacy here. And that's finished. Just you should wait a little more and the Windows is coming up. Just note that if your system has less than 4 GB memory, it's better to install 32-bit version of your Windows. And if you have more than 4 GB of memory, you have to install a 60-bit version of your Windows to use completely memory storage. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any comment or question, you can write it down. Goodbye.